best bank, particularly any nationalized bank, is best, and open a current account. What are the important steps, procedures and sequences like office, manufacturing site, and manpower? What qualifications and eligibilities for EP or competent person, qualified chemists or pharmacists? Which licenses required, like drug license, trading license, export license, DGFT, etc.? What are the documents and requirements for drug license? What are the documents required to Drug Control Administration for local, state level and central level like CDSCO? What are the regulatory documents requirements like ISO, GMP, WHO GMP, EDQM and USFDA? What is environmental clearance like CFE, CFO? There is 3 categories in this. One is orange, green and red. These categories approvals comes from state as well as central authorities. What are the documents and requirements for goods and services tax registration, GST, for a pharma company? What is CGST, what is SGST, what is IGST? We discuss in detail in next parts. What are the documents and requirements to register a pharmaceutical company under Companies Act? Like DSC, DIN, TAN, PAN, MOA and AOA. We will discuss in detail in next chapters. Name of the company. To identify and select name of the company which we need to register on Register of Companies by Government of India. Company directors. Need 2 directors for private limited company. What are the documents and requirements for trademark registration? What are the documents and requirements for FSSAI registration or license, food, vitamins and nutraceuticals? How much investment required for starting pharmaceutical company? Fixed investments, capital investments and inventory investments. And what are those we discuss in detail in next parts. How to establish a pharmaceutical industry? We need to decide based on SWOT analysis with an advice of well-experienced project consultants. How we select type of pharma industry like bulk drugs. In bulk drugs also we have 2 different segments. One is synthetic segment and another one is fermentation based. In this both segments also we have 2 types of categories is there like intermediates and APIs. Another type of industry is direct compression granules. Final one project industry is finished products like tablets, capsules. In this segment also we have 2 different types of generic and branded. What is third party manufacturing, contract manufacturing and loan license manufacturing? If we manufacture our products on other party facility or manufacturing site, we discuss in detail in next parts. What is the marketing scope of pharma company? It depends like domestic marketing and export marketing. In export marketing we have 2 types of markets. First one is regulated markets and second one is unregulated markets. Marketing subject is very vast and ocean. We discuss in detail in next parts. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, comment and share our video.